So you went to YouTube and you Googled how to make money with YouTube with no money. And let me guess, you got some bad advice. There are tons of channels on YouTube, and the only reason they exist is to make money by making videos telling you how to make money. And they make money by either selling a training program, which there's nothing wrong with that, or AdSense by generating tons and tons of views, by creating clickbait thumbnails and titles talking about how much you can make in how short of a time or a very short time period, and getting you all hyped up to watch the video, and then lead you along inside that video and never really show you step by step how to actually make money using YouTube. Here's an example of one of those videos that I'm talking about that typically gives you bad advice. And it's not really bad advice. It's just advice that gets you lost. It doesn't take you where you need to go. And if you head down to the comments, you can see some of the issues that people have when they watch these types of videos. For example, here, this method, though interesting, relies on breaking into very competitive and already saturated sites. Here's another comment that adds even more confusion. You could also create the sites with Google Sites. Surely Google would rank that pretty high. Here's another comment where someone got lost in a video. How did you make the URL? I made my landing page, but no URL. I can't find it. How did you do that? Of course, there's no response because this video has been made and they're moving on to the next video. And of course, like I said, you can do this for free, and I'm going to show you here in this video, but there is a link in the description for a training. You can click that link and check that training out. It's not required, but it is there in case you need it. Here's another comment. Can you make a video related the easy, fast, free, or alternative, the most cheap way to make a landing page? And here the YouTuber recommends ConvertKit. Again, adding to the confusion by ending the sentence that they have a free plan, but you can also use Canva, as he showed in this video. And in this video, he covered using social media, basically every social media platform out there that you can think of, to get traffic. So now, to help you clear up your confusion, here is a marketplace that I use, Warrior Plus. It's not about the marketplace. It can be any marketplace, but I want to show you that I do use this marketplace to actually make money using YouTube. And here's my other YouTube channel. And as you can see, I make simple videos where I just share my screen and I demonstrate how certain products work. Or as you can see here, I'm doing a full review on how the product works and making my recommendation because I actually use this product in my business, the business that I run and create books. And then I provide and share that information over on this YouTube channel. So how this works is you have an audience, or your audience is out there. They're on the internet, in this case on YouTube. You create simple YouTube videos that help solve your audience's problem. You build a landing page, they click on that landing page, which contains your affiliate link or a sign up, and you add them to your email list, and then you send them over to the affiliate offer. When they click the buy now button, you earn a commission. Now you're going to ask me where or what is an alternative, or a free alternative, or where do I get landing pages for free, as well as build an email list so I can follow up with my audience to get them back over to the affiliate offer page so they can click the buy now button and earn a commission. And real quick, and there's a link in the description where you can get your GetResponse free account. Get your business online with a suite of free marketing software. Build your website, start generating leads, and send ultimate newsletters for free. Click this blue button to create your free account. Once you do all that and you've established what your YouTube channel is going to be about, that is how you're going to help people by earning commissions like the commissions you see here on my Warrior Plus sales dashboard. You start making simple videos like the videos that you see here, where I demonstrate a product or I provide other information that people need to know about how to break into the world of self-publishing. And then inside of these videos that you can see here simply are me sharing my screen and talking about the product. I simply link out to a landing page. That link to head over to the landing page is clicked. And just like I was showing you here, your audience or my audience on YouTube clicks on that link on the YouTube video. They land on the landing page, the free landing page that I built with GetResponse. They're added to my email list, the free email list that is built inside of GetResponse, my free account or your free account. Then they are redirected over to the affiliate offer page where they click the buy now button and you earn a commission. Again, don't worry, GetResponse, there's a link in the description, free forever software to get your business up and running online. Simply sign up for free and get started now with GetResponse. So like I said, if you've gotten bad advice up to this point because you found videos like this one on YouTube that simply just cover everything under the sun in a brain dump or just a random stream of consciousness from the YouTuber that tells you to sign up for ClickBank, sign up, get a free account here, get a free account there, versus a simple blueprint that I've just laid out for you to build a YouTube channel, find your audience, redirect them over to a landing page where you sign them up to your email list, and then you send them emails and follow up with them to get them back over to your affiliate offer page, have them click the buy now button, and utilizing a marketplace like Warrior Plus, start earning affiliate commissions. Great, so now you've seen exactly how I make money using YouTube, and I walked you through it step by step, exactly how you can do it. Now, there is a link in the description in the pinned first comment for a course that I recommend that will walk you step by step through this process and get you up and running quicker. Do you need this course? No, you don't need this course because I showed you exactly what you need to do here in this video, but it is recommended, again, if you want to actually get up and running quicker. And if you have any questions or you run into any problems and you want to know how to fix those problems to actually get to start making money or get to the point where you're making money on YouTube, then click the link in the description and just check it out. And if you have any questions, go ahead, leave them in the comments, and I'll talk to you later.